Assalamu alaikum everyone, Atif Bashir here. Today I'm here to talk about importance of mountain as we are celebrating World's Mountain Day. Mountains themselves don't have a specific celebration day since they are natural formations. However, there are various events and festivals around the world that celebrates mountains and their significance. For example, International Mountains Day is celebrated on December 11th each year to raise awareness about the importance of mountains and promote sustainable mountain development. It's a great opportunity to learn more about the mountains and their impact on our plants. Mountains play a crucial role in balancing the Earth ecosystem in many ways. Mountains help regulate global climate patterns by influencing wind patterns. As air rises over mountains, it cools and releases moisture, resulting in rainfall and the formation of clouds. This process helps distribute water across different regions, contributing to overall climate balance. Unfortunately, mountains face various threats including deforestation, habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Therefore, sustainable development practices are essential for balancing economical growth with environmental conservation in mountain regions. By promoting sustainable development and conservative efforts, we can ensure that mountains continue to thrive. Thanks.